tiendra aussi la journée nationale pour la lutte et la sauvegarde des calamars albinos. Cette dernière dépêche qui vient de nous arriver, les producteurs de choux de Bruxelles ont posé un préavis de grève pour cette fin de semaine. Sport désormais avec hier soir la 18e journée du championnat de France de football avec un match au soir.
Maintenant ça va chier.
Never had to battle with no bulletproof vest. Take a small example, take a minute from me. Take all of your money, give it all to charity. Love is what I got, it's within my reach. And the subplot style's still straight from Long Beach. It all comes back to you, you're bound to get what you deserve. Try and test that, you're bound to get served. Love's what I got, don't start a riot. You feel it when the dance gets hot. Love is what I got. I said remember that. Love is what I got. I remember that. Love is what I got. I said remember that. Love is what I got. I don't cry when my dog runs away. I don't get angry at the bills I have to pay. I don't get angry when my mom smokes pot, hits the bottle and goes right to the rock. Fucking and fighting is all the same. Living with Louis Dog's the only way to stay sane. Let the loving come back to me.